It's Miss Lingerfeld here, and I'm going to teach you your math lesson for day 9 today on the learning path. So, today you need to start by practicing counting by tens. You can go to YouTube and Google the Count and Dab song. You can do counting with Jack Hartman on YouTube. That's a really fun one. Or you could just practice counting by tens on a hundreds board like I'm about to show you. So, we're going to start here. And you can count with me as we do it together. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now boys and girls, isn't it pretty interesting that when you count by tens, all of these numbers are in a line on the hundreds board. And that's actually because if you pick any number on the hundreds board, so say you pick 8 and you add 10 to it, then you're going to get 18. So anytime you go this direction on the hundreds board, you're adding 10 to the number above it. Isn't that cool? Okay, so I'm going to move that. Well, no, I'm not going to move it. Getting ahead of myself. So today's assignment is you have to pick one number between 1 and 9 first. So we have 1 here and 9 here, and I'm going to pick the number 6. And then you have to pick a number between 30 and 40. So you could do 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, all the way to 40. I'm going to pick 32. Then you have to take these two numbers and you have to write a word problem. So help me remember my numbers, because I'm going to move this now. And we're going to write the word problem. So, I know that I have to add today because they ask us to write an addition problem. So, here we go. I'm going to say Charlie has 32 crayons. Kaden gave her 6 more. How many crayons does she have all together? Okay. Now we are going to become problem solvers, and we're going to look for the numbers in the problem. So we know we picked 32 and 6, and we're going to look for keywords. So it says, how many does she have all together? So boys and girls, we know when it says all together that we are adding, we're putting them together. So the number sentence would be 32 plus 6 equals, we don't know. You can solve this a lot of different ways. You could either draw a picture, but since we have a big number like this, I would suggest drawing base 10 blocks. So we'll draw 32 first. 32 has 3 tens, so we're going to say 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, and 6 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we know we can combine these ones. So we have 6, 7, 8 ones, and 3 tens. So our answer is 38. So that's all I have for you today. Now it's your turn to go pick a number between 1 through 9 and a number between 30 and 40. Write an addition problem and like a story problem. You can draw a picture to go with it too, and then I want you to have someone in your house solve it and take a picture and send it to your teacher however you do that. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to any of us. All right, see you later, guys.